Hey everybody, this is Lisa. I am coming on with another project share for PandaHaul Selected, and I will have the website, coupon code, and all the products in the description box. And I'll also put the unboxing video, probably so you can see more of close-up of the items that I received. So for this project, well, for my previous project, one of my previous videos, I made these beaded bracelets out of a few beads out of my stash, but most of them were the beads that I received from PandaHaul Selected. So I showed those in the previous video, but the items that I used for this project are these little feet that came in this case. Actually, I had 2 packs of feet. One of them is a gold and one is more like a bronze, but they're the same feet. I just put all of them in this little container because one of them came in a bag and one came in this container. So I love these containers to hold them in. So I just put them, you know, all in the container. I know my lighting is terrible, but there's the 2. And you can see one is more gold and one is more bronze. And I know my lighting is off. I've rearranged my craft room, and I've got to get my lighting situated. So that is one of the projects that I use there. And I also, if you've seen my unboxing, you've seen this here. Now this is a whole box of this stuff, and it measures. Let me just take one out, because I think I did the measurements in the other video, but I'm not sure. But see, this is a full sheet, and they are 8 by, looks like 11 3/4. 8 by 11 3/4. And what this is kind of like a, it's kind of like a crushed velvet type feel. And this is like a, they had different colors, but this is like a blush pink, I would say. Kind of like a blush pink. And I can't remember how many came in this pack, but it's a lot. But I believe I did count them in my unboxing video. But anyway, what I made was this. I'm going to try to pull up. If y'all see any mess off to the side, just don't judge me. I have been literally rearranging my whole craft room. So I'm going to try to come up a little bit. And this is what I made. So I was thinking, okay, this kind of crushed velvet. Oh, and I did mention in the unboxing, this is a stick and peel. Okay. So I made this little whatnot here. And because it was the crushed velvet, I was like, oh, could I make me a bracelet holder? That's what I did. So I just, now these right here and this is from the Dollar Tree, and it is the Crafter Square. You get this pack of wood planks right here, and that's what that is. And all I did was wrap them in this stick and peel. I did use just a little bit more glue on the edges, but look how cute this is. And you just put them on here like this. That's really cute. Let me show you how they just hang on there really cute, like that. And then I actually made some with a dangle, a little bee, the yellow with the bee. I did one with the lemon, right there. There's just some plain. This was a little bigger one, but everybody has different size, you know, wrists and anklets. I made several more beads, but I said in my previous video, my daughters took them. So they really liked these bracelets. A lot of people are wearing these. So look at how cute. That is my little bracelet holder. And then you can see on the bottom, on the base, what I did is I doubled the planks. You see how wide it is? See? And then this one, I doubled the planks on the bottom. I just glued them together because I actually used the screw. And that's how I did the bottom. I did use the screw, so the screw went into these planks perfect. So that's how I did that. And then I literally just wrapped it. So I did paint the edges of the wood like just with a white, but I went ahead and put these little pearls at the top. And these little pieces here that is like holding these, you know, more stability. They are also, I've already put the package up, but they are the little wooden dowels. Also, Crafter's Companion from the Dollar Tree. Okay. And what I did is I just, you know, cut them the size and I just rolled it in the leftover pieces from the boards. And that's how I did that. And since the end was raw, I just put those little gray pearls. So this is kind of like a little pink, blush pink with the little gray flat back pearls. But I thought it turned out super cute. So that will display a lot of bracelets. So that is really cute. So that is my project share for PandaHaul Selected. Make sure you go check out their website. Like I said, it will be linked below. Make sure you use the coupon code. That's always a good thing to have. But everything that you need will be in the description box. And I thank you all for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.